couple tables together. I'm not sure that they'll let us. Oh, they should. I own the place. How did you get the house back from the bank? I bought the bank.
Hello guys, back to my channel. Today we'll talk about superposition theorem. Introduction to superposition theorem. Superposition theorem is a fundamental principle of electrical engineering. It allows to utilize complex linear circuits by breaking them down into simpler parts. By considering the individual effect of each source, we can determine the overall response of the circuit. Statement of superposition theorem. Superposition theorem states that in a linear circuit containing multiple sources, the response at any point in the algebraic sum of the response caused by each individual source acting alone. This is valid as long as the sources are linear and the circuit components obey Ohm's law. Applying superposition theorem, turn off all the independent sources except one. Replace voltage source with the short circuits and the current source with open circuits. Applying superposition theorem, step 2. Calculate the superposition caused by the active source using any suitable circuit analytic method. Kirchhoff law, nodal analysis or mesh analysis. This will give us the practical response caused by the active source alone. Repeat step 1 and 2 for the independent source separately, one at a time. This means turning off all the other sources and calculating the partial response caused by each individual sources. Add all the partial response obtained in the step 3 algebraic to get the total response. This will give us the overall current or voltage at the desired point in the circuit. Limitations of superposition theorem. Superposition theorem is applicable only in a linear circuit. It cannot be used for a circuit with non-linear elements like diodes or transistors. It assumes that the circuit is in a steady state condition. Advantages of linear superposition theorem. Superposition theorem simplifies circuit analysis by breaking down complex circuit into manageable parts. It provides a systematic approach to understand the effect of individual sources. By analyzing each source separately, we can easily identify the contribution of different sources to overall response. Practical example. It consider a circuit with a multiple voltage source and resistor. By applying the superposition theorem, we can determine the current flow through each resistor individually. This allows us to analyze the circuit behavior without getting overwhelmed by its complexity. Conclusion. Superposition theorem is a powerful tool for analyzing linear circuit with multiple sources. It simplifies the circuit analysis and helps us understand the individual contribution for the source. By using superposition theorem, engineers can design terrible short complex circuits more effectively.